Hey, so if you already know basic formulas and want to level up your spreadsheet skills, yeah, advanced formulas in Google Sheets can save you hours of work. In this guide, I'll show you how to use advanced formulas in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, remember every formula starts with an equals sign and uses cell references. The if function helps you create logic like pass or fail, yes or no, or true and false. VLOOKUP helps you find data from large tables instantly. XLOOKUP is more flexible and powerful for searching data in any direction. Index and match together give you advanced control over searching and matching data. ARRAYFORMULA lets you apply a formula to an entire column automatically. Query lets you filter, sort, and analyze data like a mini database. You can combine formulas like IF, VLOOKUP, and ARRAYFORMULA for powerful automation. Text and date functions help format and manage time-based data easily. Always test your formulas and check for errors like missing brackets or wrong references. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use advanced formulas in Google Sheets to automate and analyze data in 2026.